Workflow at a standstill because of the OpenSSL multi-threaded library 32DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix OpenSSL Cryptography, legacy multi-threaded conflict for good. Before we begin the manual steps for OpenSSL multi-threaded library 32, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the OpenSSL multi-threaded library 32, a specialized multi-threaded MD version of the OpenSSL cryptographic library. It provides the encryption routines required for secure TLS and SSL handshakes in legacy software. Missing versions are a leading cause of SSL connection error in older web-integrated tools or game launchers that require secure authentication. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. libeay32md is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the OpenSSL multi-threaded library 32 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace OpenSSL multi-threaded library 32DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on OpenSSL multi-threaded library 32. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve OpenSSL multi-threaded library 32 dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.